I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Let's look at the Cheesecake Factory, Red Robin, and Allergan. Now, last night on Fast Money, the traders were talking about P.F. Chang's, which is going private. And so the question is, they're going to be similar bids for other companies. So we're going to look at Cheesecake and also Red Robin from a technical standpoint. These are 2 companies that they thought, well, maybe there's a possibility of this, of them receiving offers to. So here's the thing. We look here at the weekly chart. Let's just frame this thing technically. The 200-day moving average down at 28, 29 bucks or so stands out to me as support. But what's more relevant to me is this high here. So we can do this. Like, this was a pretty big high, and look at the volume. Big sell-off. So this is a very important high right here. This is another high that's pretty important. What's my point? My point is, as long as Cheesecake Factory stays above these 2 levels, as long as it stays right around in here, then I think you're good to go, and this is a stock that you want to own. It has been trading outside the upper Bollinger Bands for a while, and that doesn't happen very much. Statistically, it's not supposed to do that this often. So the stock is ripe for some type of a pullback. It doesn't look like it's going to be much. I would say if you can get the stock in the low 31s, and I know I'm being picky here, but I'm paid to be picky. If you can get the stock in the low 31s, then that's a better time to be buying Cheesecake. Now, what about Red Robin? That's the restaurant with the bottomless fries, which back when I used to be fat was a big deal to me. Now it kind of makes me want to puke. But look, what have we got here? We've got resistance right at, bam, right about 38 or so. You can see the stock rallied up yesterday, but then it closed down near the low of the range, the low of the trading day. So that tells me that sellers are pushing on this stock. Even though the stock closed up a 1.5 percentage-wise, even though the stock closed up, there was selling into the end of the day. So I think you got to respect this 38 buck top or so until the stock clears that level. I wouldn't really feel safe in buying it at any level other than really close to here, close to about 34 bucks. So to summarize, if the stock breaks out above 38, buy it. But if it doesn't break out above 38, wait to be stubborn and buy it right around 34, maybe 34.20. And last here is Allergan. Now, Kramer, was talking about this stock last night. This is a company that reports earnings today. Jim thinks these are going to be good numbers. He thinks this is a stock you want to own. This is really easy. I'm looking at the 50-day moving average, and I'd want to own it too. Nice little move to the upside. Stocks has been a little bit of a volatility squeeze, but it's starting to push higher. So I think you can go ahead and scale into this stock a bit right now. 100 bucks is going to be kind of a tough top unless earnings are such that the stock blows out the top. If that's the case, though, I would just want to sell into it. Don't get so anxious to buy this stock that you pay any price for it. Don't do that. The overarching analysis here on this stock, at least from my standpoint, is it's got to be staying above the 50-day moving average. If it continues to trade above the 50-day moving average like it has back here, then this is a stock that I want to own. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also, one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to